New automotive technologies may function well when they first leave the dealership, but independent shops like yours know that some technologies don't age well. Whether it's a digital dash that's gone blank or a variable valve timing actuator damaged due to lack of oil changes, these issues can appear over time. However, when new technologies are applied to driver safety, they require careful servicing from your technicians. Newer technologies like lane keeping, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking systems offer new levels of safety for the driver, which also means new levels of frustration for shops. But the first thing to remember is that most of these systems require brakes and steering to be effective. In this video, let's discuss these new technologies and what ABS, or anti-lock braking systems, and ESC, electronic stability control, have to do with ADAS performance. ABS has been around for about 40 years and was initially made to allow drivers more steering control in unexpected braking situations. Later, ESC, first known as rollover mitigation, was introduced to prevent vehicle rollovers during braking. Today, both ABS and ESC are standard features in vehicles. Both systems use the ABS hydraulic control unit, or HCU, which consists of an electronic module, hydraulic modulator, and pump. These components work together to control braking on all four corners of the vehicle. Many ADAS features, such as lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot detection, use the ABS HCU to make necessary corrections. Both ABS and ESC use similar sensors. Initially, ABS was concerned only with wheel speeds and pressure levels within the hydraulic modulator. ESC sensors then started to look at not only the wheel speeds, but also the steering angle, lateral acceleration, yaw, and brake pedal position. These sensors communicate the driver's intentions and the vehicle's actual behavior to the ESC system. During an understeer situation where the wheels turn but the vehicle continues straight, the ESC system detects the issue thanks to these sensors before the driver notices. The system then closes the throttle to transfer weight to the front tires for better traction, or by applying brakes on specific wheels to rotate the vehicle. ABS and ESC systems are essentially blind. They interpret vehicle dynamics and driver inputs, but ADAS systems extend this by also sensing external conditions like lane markings and nearby objects using cameras, lasers, and radar. The three systems control vehicle dynamics and calculate an effective correction for the given circumstances and environment. False activations of ADAS systems can range from automatic braking when pulling out of a garage to unexpected lane keeping corrections. Resolving these issues involves treating them like drivability problems with attention to specific conditions, causes, and corrections. When servicing vehicles, remember that even advanced ADAS can't compensate for poor brake performance. Proper inspection and maintenance of the brakes are essential to ensure that ADAS systems function correctly. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.